Hi everyone, it's DC here, and today I wanted to talk to you about what you should learn before you start learning cybersecurity.
Raise the alarm!
So there are a few things that you should probably learn before you get into cybersecurity, and I wanted to list them out here to make it nice and easy for you guys to get straight in and earning money. So straight off the bat, what's the first thing you should do before you start learning cybersecurity? I'd say the first thing I'd be doing if I was starting all over again is joining meetup groups and going to, CyberSec meetup groups and doing CTFs at those groups and meeting new people and, basically just rubbing shoulders with people who are already in the industry. Because as we all know, it turns out to be a lot of the time, doesn't matter what you know so much, but more who you know, who can, get you a foot in the door. Touching on that subject though, CTFs are a super awesome tool to learn, all sorts of different CyberSec pieces, which, they're quite useful and they're fun as well. So if gamification is your thing, then definitely doing CTFs is also on the list of things you should do while you're learning to become a cybersecurity engineer or in a SOC team or whatever it is you're doing. So many people around here today. What the fuck? On the study side of things, you should also have a look at doing the coursework and certification for the CompTIA A+. A+ is sort of like a general overview of everything IT, and it's useful to have if you don't have any experience or you're coming from another industry, or maybe you think you know a lot about IT but you're not so sure. The A+ is built exactly for that. So it's a quick one, it's easy to get through, and you'll do fine doing that one. Talking about the CompTIA certifications though, I would also, at the minimum, buy the books and do the coursework for the CompTIA Security Plus and Network Plus. Especially the Network Plus, while the Security Plus is obviously targeted towards people who want to become cybersecurity professionals, the Network Plus I found covers a lot more, obviously, networking, which is actually used quite a bit more in the stepping stones to becoming a engineer or SOC analyst. So it's I think the Network Plus definitely up there, the Security Plus awesome, and maybe even the Linux Plus, but have that one as an afterthought, especially in the UK and Australia, because there are not that many Linux based sysadmin type roles in those two countries. In America it's different, there's heaps of Linux jobs, they're everywhere, but unfortunately that's where they all are, or in India basically. So if you're in the UK or Australia, go for the Network Plus and Security Plus by CompTIA. Last on my list of things to do before you start learning is to go to a boot camp. The coding boot camps are really good, especially if there's a Python boot camp, because Python is used all the way from the beginning of IT world straight to the end. And I'm not saying it's the premium language to learn, but I do believe that it is one of the most commonly used, which is why I would definitely throw it in there. If you can see a Python boot camp in your area or somewhere nearby, definitely jump on that and do that. You'll meet heaps of awesome people and have a whole bunch of fun. And I'd definitely recommend that. So thanks for watching everyone. Don't forget to comment below if you have any questions, or join my Discord channel and have a chat to me there. Link in the description for that. And of course, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video, guys. Catch you later.